Here we are. Chris, that's Chris. Chris has had a fish there. That must be close to 3 pound. Magic. Fucking magic. Let me see this. Oh, yes, yes, Kenny. Look. Oh, Kenny, look, it's taking line. It's on video. That's how you know the day started and Kenny's get the song on, eh? That's the traditional song. Hey, the hell is he getting his song on? Oh, it's not a fish. What a fish. The trees have missed him. The trees have missed him.
I've come to fertilise the trees.
Beautiful that, isn't it? Beautiful. There he goes, look. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Smile, Kenny. Squeeze. Let me see your compass. He's over there shouting he shouldn't have had that curry last night. Good morning, everybody. Well, finally caught him shiting again, eh? We caught him shiting again. But that's us here. We're set up. We're in the water. We're good to go. This is one of our favourite lochs. Really is a gem of a place. The trout in it they're renowned for their beauty and their fighting power. They're outstanding. Thankfully, the wind has picked up a wee bit. There's just a nice ripple in the water. Kenny's already in the water as Ursula's tying buttons. The trees are saved. The trees are saved. Kenny's back. But aye, it's time to go fishing, as a man says. Fish on! Fish on! I took the hog, Kenny, the hog. Sage hog, aye. Oh fuck, aye, you can strip them under the water, lad, aye. Oh Jesus, aye. There we are. Happy days. Happy days. Right in the corner of its mouth. Look at the colours on them fish. Absolutely beautiful. Oh. Fuck that. Oh, aye. There we go. That's the fly out. And where you go, mucker. Cheers, Kenny. Nice. Yeah. Aye. Spotted a few fish raving, covered them, bang, wallop. So that's 2 I've had. Kenny's. Aye, I see it, lad. I see it. Catch it. Never mind fucking shouting about it. Have I taught you nothing? But I just hope it's awful musty. I'm hoping this mist lifts. Once the mist lifts, the pressure lightens up a wee bit. It'll get even better. But oh, it's good to be back again. That's what the trout are gorging on there in the water. Blue duns. It's not olives, Kenny, it's blue duns. Where you go? There it is away. There's an awful hatch of buzzers coming off the water. A couple of blue duns there as well, but I just watched. There we go. Happy days. But hard earned today, I tell you. Definitely. That's only my 3rd. Another wee in. Oh, beautiful looking. Away you go. Magic. It's been hard going. The one just totally died. Flat cam. Every trout fisherman's worst nightmare. Total nightmare. Kenny's still down yonder. So it is. I prefer this end of the loch, so I took a wee dander down. So I did. But only 3 so far. This morning there was a wee wind this morning, a wee ripple in the water. Fish rising everywhere. It had all the signs of it being a great day, but still plenty of time. Still plenty of time to try and turn it around a wee bit. I wouldn't mind one of the bigger fish today. I'm going to try my best for them. So, because this is one of them lochs where you will get fish up to a couple of pound. Fish just moving out there, but I will stick on. Fish on again. Oh, they're hard to end today. Oh, look at the spots in this boy. Oh, this is stunning. Absolutely stunningly beautiful fish. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Wow. And that's why we do it. That is why I come here and do it over and over again. Gorgeous fish, eh? Just look at the markings on them. Right. And it just slinks away. That's why I keep doing it. Maybe not the biggest fish in the world, half a pound, 3/4 of a pound, but absolutely gorgeous. This feels like a better fish. So it does. Happy days. It's not a bad one. Not a bad fish at all. Good stuff. That's a far better fish. Magic. That's what we're after. Look at that. Fantastic. Hey, let's get you back in the water. Fucking excellent. Excellent. Oh, Kenny! Oh, lad, I was taking line there. Oof. Oh, it's away! Oh, lad, that was a good fish. I was taking line and everything. Fucking bastard, hey. Oh, fucking bastard. That was a decent fish. I fucking stripped line and everything off my hand. Bastard. Starting to get a bit of action now, right enough, but that's fucking heart wrenching, that. Fish on. Fish on. Oh. What the fuck's going on here? There we go. That wouldn't focus. Strong fish, eh? Just doesn't want to give up. It's not that big, it's just dead strong. There we go, starting to get the... Wait. Come on. Lovely. That one took the worm fly, Kenny. The worm fly. No way. There we go. Happy. The concentration in his face. What happened to you, Kenny?
Face first, man. Kicked the boulder. See that way? I didn't even have no chance of like balancing. It was just full face, full everything, full the lot. And I'm wondering what that. And I'm trying to get up. I'm trying to get up. The feet all slipped it off. And a blank sofa.
His nerves is red because he hasn't had one yet. He hooked two in the hogs and the both of them snapped him. Then he fell in the water, broke his phone. Fucking idiot. We stopped there, had a wee sandwich. Kenny had a wee cry behind the tree. It has been hard going today. It's not. We've not been getting it all our own way. Definitely not. Fish have been bubbling. There's a massive hatch of buzzers coming off the water, and the trout are gorging themselves on them. And the one day that I don't bring me wee stuff in my dry flies, the one day that I'll actually, the forecast give it to be a better wind than this. So because the wind's not howling, you're not getting the advantage of fishing the wet flies. But it's great to see so many fish rising. I've never seen it on this loch before. Never seen that many fish rise before. Have we, Kenny, on this place?
I know, it's unbelievable.
Not like that, the way we've seen it today, lad. They are, the fish, the trout are gorging on buzzers. So they are. But Kenny's getting the heavy duty stuff back on again. The intermediate line on the wet flies. He's not having none of this dry fly fish anymore. Here we go, right? As you can see from the background of Kenny, All you can see, lad, is you because of the mist. Oh, it's bad. I can hardly see in front of ourselves now for the mist. Kenny's brains is wrecked. I think she's going to blink. I have faith in you, Kenny. I have every fucking faith in you. Beautiful. Eh? See, whoever taught you must have been fucking shit hot. Oh, yeah, boy! Hey, I told you weren't going to blink. Hey, on the gorgeous. Happy days. There you go now, son. You can relax. Hey. Oh, Jesus, I can see the relief in your face. Well done, lad. Good stuff. Aye. Aye, they've been liking that today, lad. Boom! Fish on, fish on. Oh! Oh, look! Magic. Fuck, it's not a bad fish either, Kenny. Aye. Aye, it's a nice one, lad. It's a nice one. Fucking strong, hey? Eh? The gorgeous George again, lad. Aye. Aye, they're liking it, lad. Oh, fuck me, that's a beautiful fish, hey? Jesus. Oh, happy. Fucking beautiful. Really, really beautiful fish. Oh, show you. Look at the markings on them. Absolutely amazing. Fish of about 3/4 of a pound, I would say. Oh, and away it goes. He's like a busted balloon.
Oh, it's a hard drive, man.
He's like a busted balloon. But you get the blink off, didn't you, lad? You get the fucking blink off.
Forget, I've been away since 2 o'clock this morning.
Aye, you know.
So it's been a struggle.
He was that excited to see me, he couldn't sleep. He hasn't seen me since January, eh? He couldn't sleep, he couldn't do it.
I've not seen for another 4 months.
Told me he was crying at Emma this morning. Emma, is it time to go and see him yet? Can I go and see him? But no, fishing was hard going today, but we still had a great day. We had a great laugh, some crack. So I was like, oh, it's always a good laugh all the season, you know. That fucking flat cam waters, fucking every trout man's worst nightmare, and it made fishing difficult. But hey, we still had a good day. We caught fish. You can't complain.
That's it.
So you can't. Listen, guys, thanks very much for watching the video. That's the season properly started now. It's only going to get better now. It's us just on the what? It's it today, the 3rd of May.
Don't watch my video. Has his shite.
That's going to crash that car. I'm going to delete that video and tell everybody he blinked. Delete that one video of that one fish and tell everybody he blinked. Where's the evidence, Kenny? Where's the evidence of that fish?
That one fish. I'm going to look at my content
from 10 different angles. But no, it's just going to keep getting better and better, folks, and the content will keep coming, especially from Gunga down here as well. But as I said, folks, thanks very much for watching the video. Until the next time, guys, tight lines. Boom.